University, Manipal University, and many more. He is a consultant editor and reviewer on panel of many international journals. His teaching experience includes teaching at Mumbai University, Veterinary Nuclear Medical Center, Radiation Medicine Center Mumbai, and Homi Bhabha National Institute. Currently, he is involved in the courses on preclinical imaging and radial safety in animal expenses of doctoral student at ACTRA. He has much recognitions to his credits. To highlight the most important is Voice Cast Fellowship by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. He has received many awards for publishing best papers and also best articles. He has also received Young Scientist Award, Young Surgeon Award, and many of them relating his veterinary work with nuclear medicine. Please give a big round of applause for his credits. He has 29 publications, 1 book chapter, 1 booklet, and print media articles as well to his credits. He is a member of many professional bodies, which includes Institute. You all are eagerly waiting to comprehend your thoughts. Over to you, sir.
Wonderful introduction. I wasn't also aware about many qualities of mine. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, respected Gulani ji, Professor Jarnadas Madam, Dr. Indrani, Supriya Shidai Madam. It's really indeed a great pleasure to be here today evening. It's a wonderful gathering of creative minds, and wherever students' programs are there, I just love to be student there. Yeah, and that's how I really said yes within maybe a few hours to Madam that yes, I am going to come for this occasion and let me interact with students and enjoy and remember my good old student days. With this, I would like to tell you about some of the stories, like, not really like what Indrani has told, but definitely some of the stories of my own thing, which I am going to tell you during this. And if you see today's world, it's a full of Wi-Fi, internet, and in this whole thing, what we need to do it now, whatever do in life, it should be translated to the humanity. It should be beneficial to the human being, to the mankind. And in today's world, that is what is the most important thing. When I looked at into the BES website,
Kind words. I'm sure that everyone will agree that the thought you have expressed, that being human is really a journey of your academic endeavor. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to Pradeep sir and Chakravarti sir for accepting our invitation and sparing the valuable time from busy schedule. I request Principal Madam to felicitate sir with memento.
Good evening everyone, respected dignitaries on the dais, my fellow colleagues, dear students, desktop support staff and parents. I am here to announce the most awaited segment of today. This day is a much awaited day in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by them throughout the academic endeavor. It gives a sense of achievement, a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling future commitment. Here at WestCorp, we value our intellectual and sports capital and nurture it through a perfect blend of traditional as well as contemporary ways and means. For the comprehensive development of students and staff, WestCorp believes in rewarding to those who help WestCorp achieve its vision and mission. We start with the first award into sports category. For the second position for open cricket goes to the non-teaching staff, Mr. Ravindra Kadam, Mr. Prashant Kamre, Mr. Kavish Kadam, Ritesh Kunjal, who is also the captain of the team, Mr. Ashok Pawar, Vinay Pimple, Pramod Mahatre, Sunil Kolte, Sunil Nardekar, Pradyuman Chauhan and Yogesh Borkar. I request you all to please come on the stage and collect the prize. interns. This year, the third prize goes to Miss Kinjal Mehta, second prize Miss Shivali Tan, and first Mr. Karan Bhatt.
देखे मुझको
Finally, we found third rank Mr. Giridhar Shankaran. Inform toppers, please be ready near the stage. The second and third rank students Vidisha. Thank you, sir. Mr. M. Farm Chem, first rank Mr. Priyanshu Roy with 8 GPA. Second rank Mr. Ravindra Karande with 6.6 GPA. Third rank Miss Pooja Dubey and Miss Pooja Kanpile with 6.4 GPA.
But I hope I'll never see them again.
To announce the special awards on this occasion. Our students and faculty members have performed brilliantly all along. And we wish to encourage their achievement and motivate the best among students and teaching staff and non-teaching staff. However, we have established one process of award the best amongst all. So the first category in this special award is of students category. And I'm going to now thank from final year. Give a very, very big round of applause to Shivali. Shivali, please come over. I request our chief guest, Dr. Pradeep Chaudhary, to do the honors. Congratulations, Shivali. Mr. Janil Varia and Ms. Sushma Mistry from final year. Congratulations. I request our guest of honor, Sushma and Janil. And we also have none other than Pooja Dubey from the Nehru. Congratulations, Pooja. subjects. And the runner-up in the category of non-teaching staff, the runner-up award goes to the lab technician from Department of Pharmaceutics, and she is Vrushali Masurkar. Mittal. I guess this is the third year of madam to receive the award. So happy and now it's the tears. No one